Welcome to our journey through the awe-inspiring realms of nature, animals, architecture, plants, and the vast universe.
Ever gaze up at the night sky and wonder what's out there in the universe? Well, let's embark on an exciting journey right from the comfort of our homes as we delve into the wonders of our solar system. Picture a massive cosmic neighborhood featuring a radiant star at its heart, the Sun, around which revolve 8 diverse planets. But that's not all. There's more to our solar system than just the Sun and planets. It's also brimming with countless moons, a plethora of asteroids, and the ever-mystical comets. And let's not forget the dwarf planet, Pluto, stirring up a bit of controversy in the celestial world. Each component of our solar system, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet, plays a unique role in making our cosmic neighborhood an intriguing place to explore. Imagine, all this is just a tiny part of the vast universe. Intrigued yet? At the heart of our solar system is the Sun, a glowing sphere of hot gases. Imagine a ball so huge that it could hold 1 million Earths. That's how enormous our Sun is. It's an incredibly hot place, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees at its core. But why is it so hot, you might wonder? The answer lies in a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy travels 93 million miles to reach Earth, providing the warmth and sunlight that sustains all life on our planet. Without the Sun's heat and light, the Earth would be a lifeless ball of ice-coated rock. So, the Sun is not just any star, it's our star, making life possible on Earth. Closest to the Sun, we find a group of 4 planets known as the inner planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They're often referred to as the rocky planets because of their solid, rocky surfaces. First up, we have Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Despite its proximity to our star, Mercury doesn't hold the title for the hottest planet. That's because it has no atmosphere to trap heat. Instead, it experiences extreme temperature swings from scorching hot during the day to freezing cold at night. Next in line is Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It's similar in size and structure to Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. However, its surface conditions are anything but earthly. Venus boasts the hottest temperatures in the solar system due to its thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. Then we have our home planet, Earth, the third rock from the Sun. Earth is unique among the inner planets because it's the only one known to support life. This is thanks to its moderate temperatures, liquid water, and oxygen-rich atmosphere. Last but not least of the inner planets is Mars, also known as the red planet because of its rusty red surface. Mars is about half the size of Earth and has the tallest volcano and deepest canyon in the solar system. Scientists are particularly interested in Mars because of the possibility that it once had conditions suitable for life. These rocky planets, each with their unique traits, are our closest celestial neighbors. They may be small compared to some planets in our solar system, but their importance in our understanding of the cosmos is immense. As we continue our journey, remember that each planet holds its own secrets, waiting for us to uncover. Beyond Mars, we encounter a region filled with countless small bodies known as the asteroid belt. Imagine a cosmic dance floor filled with rocky metallic dancers all swirling around in space. These dancers, or asteroids, are remnants from the early solar system left over from the process that formed the planets. They range in size from tiny pebbles to a massive chunk named Ceres, which is so large it's classified as a dwarf planet. Asteroids aren't quite like planets though. They don't have atmospheres, and they're not spherical. Instead, they're irregularly shaped, like giant cosmic potatoes. But what makes this dance floor truly fascinating is how it came to be. The gravity of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, prevented these space rocks from coalescing into a planet. It's a perfect example of how gravity can shape our cosmic neighborhood. Speaking of Jupiter, let's venture further into the realm of the outer planets. These are the gas giants. Jupiter, the king of the planets, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its most distinct feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than our entire planet which has been raging for centuries. Next up is Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Saturn's stunning rings are made of ice and rock, reflecting sunlight and making it one of the most recognizable planets. Following Saturn, we find Uranus, known for its unusual tilt. Unlike other planets, Uranus spins on its side, giving it unique seasons. And finally, we reach Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun. Despite its distance, it's not a frozen wasteland. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds up to 1,000 miles per hour. These gas giants, despite their inhospitable conditions, hold many secrets waiting to be discovered. Further out, we find Pluto, the once 9th planet, now classified as a dwarf planet. This celestial body was reclassified due to its size and the fact that it shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper belt. But don't be fooled by its size. Pluto is full of surprises. It has a heart-shaped glacier that's the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined. Its surface is one of the coldest places in our solar system, but it also has a warm heart, quite literally. The heart-shaped glacier, known as Tombow, is thought to contain a subsurface ocean of slushy water ice. Now, let's turn our attention to the moons in our solar system. The moon we're most familiar with is our very own, the moon. But did you know that there are over 200 known moons orbiting planets in our solar system? For example, Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn's moon Titan is the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere and stable bodies of surface liquid. Lastly, let's talk about comets, the icy visitors from the outer reaches of our solar system. These are made up of ice, dust, and rocky material left over from the formation of the solar system. When a comet gets close to the sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize and create a glowing head and a tail that points away from the sun. The most famous comet is probably Halley's Comet, which passes by Earth every 76 years. From dwarf planets to moons and comets, our solar system is filled with fascinating objects. Each one has a unique story to tell, adding to the rich tapestry of our understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to explore, who knows what other wonders we might uncover. So that's our solar system in a nutshell. A place of diversity and wonder. From the scorching, fiery sun at its center to the icy dwarf planet Pluto at its edges, each celestial body has its unique characteristics and secrets. We've learned that the sun is not just a giant ball of fire, but a star undergoing a continuous process of nuclear fusion, producing the energy that gives light and life to our world. We've journeyed through the rocky terrains of the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, each with its unique features and mysteries. We've navigated through the asteroid belt, a vast field of rocky debris, acting as a kind of cosmic boundary between the inner and outer planets. Our journey then took us to the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, each surrounded by a host of fascinating moons. Let's not forget our visit to the dwarf planet Pluto, which despite its small size and distance from the Sun, still holds an important place in our solar system. And of course, we've delved into the world of comets, those icy wanderers that put on dazzling displays as they pass close to the Sun. Now, it's time for a little fun. Let's put our newfound knowledge to the test with a quick quiz. I'll ask a question and you'll have to guess the answer. Ready? Here's the first one. What's the hottest planet in our solar system? Think about it, and when you've got your answer, continue the video to see if you're right. Remember, the more we learn about our solar system, the more we realize how special our place in the universe is. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and never stop asking questions. There's so much more to discover, and every new fact brings us one step closer to understanding the vast and beautiful cosmos we call home. So until our next cosmic journey, keep exploring, keep wondering,